Remove the 3 screws holding this fan cover in place. The 4th screw is blocked by this plastic grill shaped like a boomerang. Just pull it straight up from the middle. It comes out easily. Now remove the last screw, lift the fan out, and disconnect the power connector from the board. On the other side, remove the matching boomerang grill as well, so you can clean both sides properly. Blow the dust out of the fan, plastic grills, and don't forget the big radiator inside the PS5. For reassembly, put the boomerang grills back starting from the edges, then press down in the middle until they snap into place. Slide the side covers on from left to right until you hear a click on both sides. Subscribe to One Click Base for quick, simple fixes you can handle yourself.